Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Fort Walton Beach, Florida, is a vibrant city located in the Florida Panhandle, known for its rich history and beautiful Gulf Coast beaches. The area was originally inhabited by the Fort Walton culture, a Native American group that thrived from approximately 1100 to 1550 CE. They are renowned for their mound-building practices and advanced agricultural techniques. In the early 16th century, Spanish explorers arrived in the region, marking the beginning of European contact. Despite these early encounters, the area remained sparsely populated by Europeans for several centuries. The city's name originates from a Confederate Army camp established during the Civil War in 1861, known as Camp Walton. This camp was named after Colonel George Walton, the Territorial Secretary of West Florida. Following the war, the settlement evolved into a resort and yachting center, officially incorporating as the city of Fort Walton in 1937. Today, Fort Walton Beach is a year-round fishing and beach resort community, attracting visitors with its stunning beaches, rich history, and numerous attractions. The city is also home to the Indian Temple Mound Museum, which showcases artifacts from the Fort Walton culture and offers insights into the area's prehistoric past.
Thanks for watching!